Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a time management technique that's so cool, it's named after a tomato. Yes, you heard that right. It's the Pomodoro Technique. Developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s, the Pomodoro Technique is like having a superpower for your time. Imagine this. You work in bursts, take breaks, and repeat. It's a bit like interval training for your brain, but with fewer sweatbands and more focus. Here's how it works. Grab a timer. Yes, a good old-fashioned timer, or just use your phone. Set it for 25 minutes and focus on one task. That's one Pomodoro. When the timer rings, congrats! You've just conquered your first Pomodoro. Now it's time for a 5-minute break. Stretch, grab a coffee, or dance like no one's watching. The goal is to recharge and clear your mind. After 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break, 15 to 30 minutes. Maybe go for a walk, watch a quick video, or just chill. This longer break helps you to fully reset and get ready for more Pomodoro power. Why does this work? Well, it keeps you focused by creating a sense of urgency and helps avoid burnout by ensuring regular breaks. Plus, seeing those Pomodoros stack up can be super motivating. So, ready to take your productivity to the next level? Give the Pomodoro Technique a try and watch those tasks get checked off your list. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more productivity tips, and drop a comment telling us about your Pomodoro experiences. Until next time, stay focused and keep crushing those goals. See you in the next video.